Look at this beautiful piece of Richard Mille RM005. But have you seen what it looks like before this? Alright, here's how our Swiss-trained watchmaker revived this piece. Now, let's start by dismantling the watch parts. Next, we use watch cleaning machine, a specialized process designed to clean the delicate components of luxury watch. Moving on to the polishing process, a proper polishing not only enhances the watch's appearance, but also preserves its value when done professionally. It's time to service the Richard Mille RM005. Servicing luxury watches is essential for maintaining their performance and value, especially for mechanical ones. Over time, the oils inside the movement will degrade and components can wear down, leading to inaccuracies. Therefore, watch servicing is very important. It ensures your watch keeps accurate time and functions as intended. And it's done! The Richard Mille RM005 are now not only performs impeccably but also continues to be a valuable and treasured accessory. If you are looking for a reliable watch service center to service, polish, and authenticate your watch, visit us at our outlet at Far East Plaza, Singapore. Want to learn more about watches? Follow us on our social media and subscribe our YouTube channel. Let us know in the comment section down below what brand you'd like to see us cover next.